Olale mabende miyowa weche matimore achiel kachiel. Seth Olale, inyalo nyisowa ni nyaka gie sani kama intiere chenro chalo nade? Kwen osechopo nang'o? Dipo ni nitiere duoko moselandi mawiye koso ena pod ji goyo mbaka, pod ikwano ombulu mane jopiny wuok mar dhi goyo e debe. Seth Olale ka nitiere Kariobangi North kama ne odong' nono bang' tho mar Munuve mane en MCA makono. Seth Olale, chalo nade sani?
Erokamano George Pati kae okwago mbaka kae wakwano ombulu. To sani, as you can see behind me, the tallying is still ongoing. We're talking about the tallying of 5 centers representing the 38 polling stations that had 24,500 registered voters. And I'm just going to mention to you quickly what's happening right behind me. We have a total of 3,199 valid votes cast, validated and entered into this particular live IBC stream. Let me just announce to you who's leading right now. We have an independent candidate in the name of Kimanzi John Katua, who has taken an early lead, followed closely an early lead by 1,027 votes. And then number 2, according to this particular result, we have Warui David Wanoike of the DCP party with 846. Third, we have the ODM candidate, that is Michael Ouma Majua, who has garnered 690. Remember that I'm just reading the top 3 because there are a total of 16 candidates who participated in the Kariobangi North by-election. It is now being validated. The tallying is ongoing. The turnout was projected to be around 25.5% to 31% in some polling centers or polling stations, which means that out of the 3,199 votes, we're talking about 6,000 or 5,000 more votes that have to be entered through this particular live IBC stream. But I've read to you as it stands, according to the number of results that have been entered through the IBC stream, that is 3,199, an early lead here is being taken by Kimanzi John Katua with 1,027. That is an independent candidate, followed closely by the DCP candidate, that is David Wanoike, with about 846. And then now we have the third one is Majua Michael Ouma, who's coming third from ODM party with 690 votes. This is just a drop in the ocean because, like I tell you, it just represents about 14% of the total votes validated and being tallied here. And we're just keeping still here. I was with my colleague here, Walter Nambaga, and I'm keeping watch just to make sure that we bring you the latest results. George Mbati, weche chalo kamano.
Erokamano nya Seth Olale, kaka weche chalo no kendo ilere yo makare ahinya. Nyako Ramogi jal motelo sani en jalo mochung' kien kata independent e kar ward ma Kariobangi North, kaluwore kod ler momiwa kod jafwambo marwa Seth Olale, kendo ineno konyisowa achiel kachiel kama IBC tang'e duoko margi. Mano nyiso kaka ne Salim owache motelo nyaka gie sani